What's going on, YouTube? Well, you might be wondering why I'm looking at this burnt piece of wreckage here. Well, is it starting to add up yet? This is what's left of the WJ. There was a house fire. I already have sold this thing, and my buddy had it, and just like I had problems with breaking axles, he had a broken axle on it and it was parked up here. And the house burned down next to it. And yeah, he didn't make it. Well, all those hundreds of hours of work, this thing's trash. Oh hey, the K&N's still kind of mint. And if you're wondering, when a motor gets this hot, it's trash afterward. There's no cleaning it up and all that. No, it's junk. Might be able to save the rock sliders and maybe this one tire, but the tires were pretty much old and shot already anyway. Look at that, got so hot, melted the roof. Also too, there was a tire on it too, so you know, all that work. What a complete, almost a complete waste. But out of the ashes, there's the old Super Trap. And I think once I clean it up, it'll be good to go. So I'm gonna cut this thing off, so my buddy said I could have it. And we're gonna see if we can't put it on the side-by-side. We'll see what a Talon sounds like with a Super Trap on it. But yeah, that's all that's left. Scrap metal and a Super Trap. I'll tell you what, that metal grate is pretty good shape. Oh, wait a minute, there's one fender with a tiny smidgen of paint left on it. How that one smidgen of paint is still there and the fender flare melted off, don't ask me, I don't know. But yeah, oh well. But anyhow, anybody wondering about what the WJ looks like now? There it is. And if anybody wants it, I think $100 and they can take the whole damn thing. Alright, see you guys next time.